It's 2023, and if you're looking for the best credit card, you're watching the right video. Credit cards are everywhere. Every company, it seems like, has a credit card. We're talking about when you shop with TJ Maxx. We're talking about when you fly, like let's say JetBlue. Every company has their own version of a credit card, and they pretty much all do the same. Now, the main differences with most of these credit cards are their perks. Now, I'm talking about their bonuses when you sign up. Sometimes it's points, other times it's cash. I'm also talking about cash back. Some credit cards have awesome cash back, but most of them are about the same. Now in this video, I'm gonna go over my top 5 credit cards that you should definitely check out. Now they're not in any specific order, but when you're listening, if something sticks out to you, go check it out. All the links are in the description. All right, now the first card that I wanna go over is the Chase Freedom Flex. Now, some of the main bonuses for this credit card is that there is no annual fee. We're talking about $0. Right now, it has a 5% cashback promo on your first $1,500 in purchases. Now, most credit cards are 1 to 2%. So the fact that you get 5% back is fantastic. And speaking of fantastic, when you sign up for this credit card, they give you a welcome bonus of $200. And in order to get that $200 bonus, you just need to make $500 worth of purchases within the first 3 months. It also has 0 APR for the first 15 months. So any of your purchases, they will not tack on interest for the first 15 months, which is great. So you get a promo rate of 5% cash back. You get a $200 bonus, both fantastic sign up perks. So Chase Freedom Flex, definitely check it out. All right, now the next credit card that I want to go over is the Discover It Chrome card. Now this one is by far the easiest bonus that you can get. As long as you make one purchase, they're going to give you a $50 statement credit. Now this Discover card will give you 2% cash back on rotating categories. The categories right now are gas stations and restaurants. So whenever you use this card at those places, they will give you 2% cash back and then 1% cash back on everything else. But the biggest perk is that in its first year, it will double your cash back. So any cash back that you get, they're going to double it. How cool is that? And it's unlimited. So if you have $1,000 in cash back, say hello to $2,000. They also have $0 in an annual fee to use their card. And then they also have, like the other one, 0% APR for the first 15 months. So any of your purchases within the first 15 months, you will not be charged interest. They will not tack on any interest. And personally using this card, it has some really cool features. It'll monitor dark web activity for your information. It'll also give you an instant FICO score, which they're just fantastic. So if you're applying for anything or if you're curious whether your information is out there on the dark web, Discover will tell you, and they will run checks every single month. So those are really cool added perks to having a Discover card. Let's go to the next card, and that is the Amazon Visa. Now, if you're an online shopper and you love Amazon and you love all of Amazon products, you should get this card. Because right when you sign up, they're going to give you a $150 Amazon card, which you can use for anything. $150, all you got to do is sign up. That is a huge bonus. And then on your first $2,500 in purchases, they will give you 5% cash back, which will be a $125 value, which equals $275 of sign up perks. But like I said, the best part is that if you love Amazon, if you love Amazon Fresh, Whole Foods, Chase Travel, all those, they will give you 5% cash back for the entire time you have this card, which is huge. But again, it's just all in the Amazon ecosystem. And then outside of that, you get 2% at gas station, restaurants, local transit, and then 1% on every other purchase. And then the coolest thing is that it'll give you an instant decision within 15 seconds. I have this card. It was really quick. They also have some other perks that you should definitely take a look at, including 10% cash back on certain items within Amazon. All right, now credit card number 4 that I want to go over is the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. Now this one also has an awesome sign up bonus of $200 once you spend $500 within the first 3 months. I feel like a lot of these cards have that, which is a pretty awesome bonus. You will also earn 2% cash back on everything that you buy. No categories, everything. And it's also unlimited cash back. It doesn't cap you at a certain point. And kind of like with the other ones, for the first 15 months, you will not get charged any interest. And this one also has some additional features. You get up to $600 in case your phone breaks. But the catch is you got to have your phone bill with this credit card. And then kind of like with the Discover card, it'll give you your FICO score. But definitely check this card out. Look at their additional perks, and let's get into the final card. All right, now the final card that I want to go over, it's the last one that I'm going to mention, is the Amex Gold card. Now this is the only card that has an annual fee to use their card, and it is $250. But oh, do they have lots of perks. Now, Amex has a point system, not a dollar cashback amount. So right when you sign up, you're going to get 90,000 points. Now that does sound like a lot, but if you do the math, it usually comes out to around $600 in their ecosystem. So that is a crazy bonus for when you sign up. You also will get $120 in Uber cash credit, $10 a month for the entire year. Now, Amex has a lot of rewards that just aren't publicized. It's kind of you get in, you find out. But with my recent trip, using this card, they give you fantastic hotel perks. They will make the reservation for you. They will cancel it if you have to. On certain participating hotels, they will automatically upgrade you to the next level of room, which happened to me, which was fantastic. And also on some hotels, they give you $100 on-site credit. So if you're eating breakfast, getting coffee, if they have a bar, all that, you have up to $100 in credit at these hotels. And that's just the beginning as far as these perks. So I recommend you check out Amex Gold Card. All right, that is it. That is all I got for today's video. All of these cards I've used, I have. So if you have any questions, hit me up in either the email in the description or just drop a comment. I will get to everything. And again, links in the description. Check everything out. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.